Hey Platinum Roofing, my name is Dalton and in this video I'm going to give you 3 tips that we use to generate more customers for businesses. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get started. The first thing that I want to talk about is content. So you'll notice here that we have your website pulled up, and anything that highlights on this front page would be considered content. So you guys have a very nicely laid out website, I'll give you that. So typically we like to see anywhere from 1,500 to 2,000 words of content on that home page, as well as 500 and 750 words of content on those service pages. This way you can riddle in keywords, key terms, and key phrases relative to your service and what you're offering, to give you relevance and authority with Google when someone's searching for roofers in Georgia or roofers in Warner Robins or roofers in an area that you guys service that you want to rank for, to ultimately, get that call or increase the traffic through your business. Okay, so that's content, and the alt text, the description of the pictures, and also what the pictures are saved as is also included as content as well. So definitely getting keywords and key terms and key phrases saved behind those pictures definitely helps you rank as well to ultimately increase the traffic for your business. So now we're going to hop over into your competitor, superiorroofs.com. So what I did is I googled roofing company Georgia, and superiorroofs.com was the first on the organic listing. So you'll notice here that they don't have quite a lot of content on their homepage, so you could definitely easily beat them out there by adding more authoritative content to your home page as well as the service pages, and then making sure that those keywords have that you're targeting good high volume keywords to ultimately give you relevance with Google to help you be found easier by a searcher on Google searching for your service. Okay, so that's content. The second thing I want to go over with you guys is backlinks and keywords. So we're going to hop over into a tool that I call Ahrefs, and this tool costs me $100 a month, and it just lets me analyze the back end of your website. Okay, so I've got your website pulled up here, and you'll notice that you guys only have 9 referring domains, and from those 9 referring domains you've got 20 backlinks. So a referring domain is a website out on the internet that has a link back to your website. So from those 9 referring domains, 9 websites, you have 20 links leaking back to your website, which in return you're getting searched for 21 organic keywords, which is giving you an organic traffic of 0. Okay, so now we're going to hop over into your competitors, and if you see here that there's a huge difference. Okay, so they've got 75 referring domains, which from those 75 referring domains, they're getting 296 backlinks, which in return, they're getting searched for 1,000 organic keywords, which is giving them an organic traffic of 365 people per month just through the website. So you can definitely see the value that you're missing out on there by not having that properly optimized website with authoritative content with those relative keywords that ultimately make it easier for someone to find your business or find your service if they're looking for it through Google. Okay, so what we actually like to do is we like to go and see what the competition is doing to produce those results, and we actually like to do the same thing but perfect the process and do it a little bit better. Okay, so what we do is we actually come into their organic keywords and we see what keywords they're ranking for and what kind of volumes out there, what people are searching for. So just for example, energy efficient roofing has a search volume of 300 searches per month with a keyword difficulty of 9, and there's companies out there paying $6 per click just to be up on Google for energy efficient roofing. Okay, so currently they're in the 9th position with Google just for the term energy efficient roofing. Okay, so just from this one term, it's generating 12 traffic per month through their website just from utilizing this one term. Okay, so if we go down here, roof replacement Alfreda, volume 200 searches per month, keyword difficulty of 1. They're in the 8th position for this, and they're getting 10 people per month just from roof replacement Alfreda. So you can definitely see how utilizing those relative keywords gives you more authority and ultimately can increase the traffic through your business. So you can definitely see the value that is out there if it's done properly. Okay, so that's backlinks and keywords. The third thing that I want to go over with you is citations. A citation is your business name, address, and phone number listed in various directories throughout the web, such as Yellow Pages, White Pages, Yelp, and various directories throughout the web like that. Okay, so up here I typed in Roofing Company, Georgia, and the first thing we see is the ads that people are paying Google to be up on. But the studies actually show that these ads are only semi-effective if not done properly, and can definitely become a money pit if the ads aren't effective. Okay, so moving on to the next visible section is the third important thing that I wanted to talk about, and we call this the Google Map Pack or Maps. And in these results we can see your business name, address, and phone number. And so now you're probably wondering, well, how do I rank there? Well, what you do is, to get ranked here, is you go out and you get these citations that I mentioned before. It's just your business name, address, and phone number listed in various directories throughout the web. Okay, so typically we like to get about 200 to 300 of these citations to beat out the competition by a landslide. So we just go in and we do research to see what type of citation or what citations the competition's using, and we go and we get those same citations, and then we continue adding more and more citations to outrank the competition in that aspect as well. Okay, well, I really appreciate you guys taking the time to watch this video, and if you can tell that I have a few tricks up my sleeve that can help grow your business, please shoot me a message or give me a call and we can chat. Or if you simply want to take these free tips that I gave you to do yourself and implement them yourself, hey, that works too. Well, like I said, I really appreciate you guys taking the time to watch this video. If you want the most effective route and want to save yourself some time, please give me a call at 478-365-8757. Once again, my name is Dalton, and my number is 478-365-8757. I look forward to hearing from you guys. You have a great one.